Sa araw na to, ang aking puso ay punong-puno ng pagmamalaki at punong-puno ng pagsasalamat. My 38 years at PGH has taught me three things. First, PGH or Tatak PGH is a brand name to be proud of. When people find out that you trained at PGH, and especially when they find out that you work at PGH, they see you as someone who is reliable and someone whom they can trust with their health. Aking ipinagmamalaki na ako ay Tatak PGH. Second, PGH is a place of stark contrast. Here you will find the most brilliant minds and the highest level of expertise of PGH doctors treating the poorest, most vulnerable patients of our society. While I thank my colleagues for the collaborations and consultations, I thank our patients who, by entrusting themselves to our care, have become our greatest teachers. Third, PGH does not just stand for Philippine General Hospital. PGH also stands for People Giving Hope. As the premier government hospital, PGH is and will always be a beacon of hope for many patients, especially for those patients who cannot afford health care and for those patients with the most challenging illnesses to treat. Ngayon, kahit isasangtabi ko na ang aking PGH doctor's coat, ang PGH ay mananatili sa aking puso. Maraming salamat sa pagkakataong makapaglingkod. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Mabuhay ang PGH. Maraming salamat po.